Hi, I'm Red. How are you today? I'll be going to Grandma's house to deliver some fruits. Who wants to go with me? Let's go. While walking along, we will talk about words with long A, E, I, O, and U sounds. Are you ready? Let's start. Our topic for English 3 Quarter 3 Week 5 is long A, E, I, O, and U sounds. For our most essential learning competencies are read words with long A, E, I, O, and U sounds ending in E, and read sentences, stories, and poems consisting of long A, E, I, O, and U words and questions about them. In reading, understanding how to read words is necessary. In the first quarter, you studied the short vowel sounds using the consonant, vowel, consonant, or CVC pattern. In this quarter, you will study the long vowel sounds. Long vowels refer to the pronunciation of vowel sounds, which is the same as letter names as in A, E, I, O, and U. The ways the letter names of the vowels above are pronounced are known as the long vowel sounds. Meaning, if you read those letters, that is also their long vowel sounds. At the end of the lesson, you are expected to read words with long A, E, I, O, and U sounds ending in E, and read phrases, sentences, stories, and/or poems consisting of long A, E, I, O, and U sounds. Here are some examples. This picture is a cake. Cake has long A sound. Cake. Another picture is a bee. Bee has long E sound. Bee. Another one is bike. Bike has long I sound. Bike. For our next picture is a nose. Nose has long O sound. Nose. This picture is a cube. Cube has long U sound. Cube. Another picture. This is a lake. Lake has long A sound. Lake. For this picture, it is a tree. Tree has long E sound. Tree. This moving picture is a kite. Kite has long I sound. Kite. Then we have another picture. It is a home. Home has long O sound. Home. And for our last picture, this is a tube. Tube has long U sound. Tube. The words above are examples of words with long vowel sounds that end in E. They are long vowels considering that the vowel sounds of each word read similar to how the letter names of the vowels read. Let us now proceed to task 1. Match the pictures in column A with their appropriate names in column B. Okay, let's start. Our first picture, it is letter E, plate. Correct. And for our second picture, it is letter B, 3. For our third picture, it is letter D, hide. And for our fourth picture, it is letter A, note. And for our last picture, it is letter C, duke. Long vowel sounds refer to the pronunciation of sounds of vowels, which is the same as their letter names. Such as letter A sounds as A. Letter E sounds as E. Letter I sounds as I. Letter O sounds as O. And letter U sounds as U. Examples for long A sound: gate, mate, fate, sake, fame. Long A sound. Examples for long E sound: free, knee, see, meet, keep. Long E sound. Examples for long I sound: bite, sight, dike, life. 9. Long I sound. Examples for long O sound: hope, code, road, pole, slope. Long O sound. Examples for long U sound: use, huge, cute, queue, fuse. Long U sound. Let us proceed to task number 2. Read the words and then identify the long vowel sound A, E, I, O, or U in each word. Remember kids, I will be answering 1 to 5. And for numbers 6 to 10, you will be the one to answer. For example, the word need, it has a long E sound. Number 1, mute, it has a long U sound. Number 2, heal, it has long E sound. Number 3, sake, it has long A sound. Number 4, time, it has long I sound. For number 5, cure, it has long U sound. So for number 6 up to 10, you will be the one to answer. Number 6, bake. Number 7, boat. 8, meal. 9, joke. And for number 10, bind. For our task number 3, read the poem. Then identify the long vowel sound A, E, I, O, or U in each underlined word. Carla bakes sweet cake and pastries. There are also biscuits in bread. Baking them makes her happy and fine, removing the sadness in her life. Let us put together all the underlined words and let us identify their long vowel sounds. Number 1 is bakes. It has long A sound. Number 2 is sweet. It has long E sound. 3, cake, long A sound. Pastries, long A sound. Makes, long A sound. Fine, long I sound. And life, long I sound. Very good. For our task 4, read the statements and identify the long vowel sound A, E, I, O, or U in each underlined word. Same with task 1, number 1 to number 5, I will be the one to answer. But for number 6 up to 10, you will be the one to do it. Number 1, smiling at me. The underlined word is smiling. It has long I sound. Very good. Number 2, hoping to meet you. The underlined word is meet. So it has long E sound. Number 3, huge park. The underlined word is huge. It has long U sound. Good job. Number 4, digging the hole. The underlined word is hole. It has long O sound. Nice one. For number 5, reading the text. The underlined word is reading, so it has long E sound. So for 6 to 10, you will be the one to answer. Number 6, Arnold put the vase on the table. 7, my mother loves red roses. 8, you should draw vertical and horizontal lines. 9, jumping rope is our favorite game. And 10, Andres used to climb that old tree. For task 5, in your notebook, complete the sentence by selecting your answers from the choices. Long blank sounds refer to pronunciation of sounds of vowels, which is the same as their letter blank. Please like this video, subscribe, and get notified.